Look guys, it's so clear now. This is, I think this stuff really works. It really works. Oh my goodness, look how nice this looks now. That is beautiful compared to when I started. That wow. Chemical guys, that's impressive. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are finally gonna try to do the headlights and trying to make them look brighter and nicer looking. So before we do anything, we have to prep it, and then we're gonna sand it, and then I have all the kit that I bought from Chemical guys. So let me show you guys what it looks like now, and then hopefully we can make it a little better. So I don't know if you guys can see the little fogginess, and it bothers me. So maybe you could see it usually on the top here. So if you could see all this stuff right here, I'm gonna fix that. Now let's prep it and then get it ready. Got my blue painter's tape. Just gonna put on all the surface that the drill may go into, so we don't mess anything up. Okay guys, I think it looks good. All right, now let's prep the area and get it ready. All right guys, so let me show you real quick. So next step is I got some 2000 grit sandpaper. We're gonna lightly sand this area. It's just a little water just to help it. So you gotta lightly sand it. Do the same thing with 3000 grit just to make sure it's super fine. All right, so even though it looks like that, it's gonna get better once we're done, guys. So guys, this is what I ordered from Chemical guys to help with this. So let's open it up. So it comes with this little pad and all the stuff. So all I have to do now is put like a couple of dabs over here. Make sure it's open. Hold on. Gotta open it up. All right, so now put a couple dabs here. 1, 2, 3. Then now we're gonna get this thing, just dab a bunch of it everywhere. So we're gonna start it at the lowest speed first. There you go guys. What do you think? And not too bad, right? Not too bad. Looks better than it was before. So we're gonna do a little bit more on the top, then we're gonna wash this. Looks good, guys. Okay guys, so now a little time has passed. So now we're gonna put this jet seal to help keep the shine. It's gonna help protect the light from the UV, from the sun basically. So same thing, a couple dabs. Nope, let me hold on. All right, so I did 3 more dabs, guys. So let's go again and then feel the work we just did. Let's go. Give it another little rub with the clean rag to take the excess stuff off. I'm telling you guys, it looks so much better than before I started, like really better. All right, this looks good. Look guys, it's so clear now. This is, I think this stuff really works. It really works. Oh my goodness, look how nice this looks now. That is beautiful compared to when I started. That wow, chemical guys, that's impressive. Okay, let's go to the other side now. All right guys, just like the other light, we're gonna trap it and then just make sure we put some 3M tape so that everything looks super nice. Okay, this is ready guys. So now let me go get my sanding paper and then we're gonna start sanding it. $2,000 grit sandpaper. Okay, let's start. So let's lightly sand it like always guys. Okay, now I don't know if you see how hazy this is. Yes, that's how it's supposed to go. It's gonna get better. Now, 3,000 grit sandpaper, and let's do it again. Dry it off now. All right guys, you could see it's hazing back up again. That's good. Now we're gonna get our drill ready. Okay guys, so same scenario. 3 dabs. 1, 2. Guys, already look really nice. Already looks really nice. Take a little excess off. Already look really nice. That is lovely. Oh wow, that makes such a huge difference. I mean, you have to really see it face to face. I don't know if the camera can tell it justice, but it makes a huge difference from what it was to now. It's great. It's beautiful. I gotta get the sealant ready, so give me a second. I'm gonna go wash my pad and then we'll seal it up and should be a donor. Okay guys, so I'll let this cool off for a little bit I got my pad clean, dried, and ready. Then I have my seal, jet seal, to help the UV. All right, let's put the same thing. Three small dabs. Oh, that's so much. There we go, that's enough. Okay, now we do the same thing. Oh yeah, that looks good, guys. That looks really good. It looks really good. I'm telling you, it looks really good. Trust me, that looks really good. Okay, now give it a little wipe for get all the excess stuff out. Oh yeah, baby. Guys, look how clear this looks now. It is so good, like for real, for real. It's so good. All right, I think this is good. This is really nice. I like this. Okay, so all that's left is take this off now, the tape. Let's go to the other side. All right, guys, this is so nice. You could, like, it's so clean now that I can actually see my reflection in it. This is like just amazing how much better this looks. Disregard these streaks, but look how beautiful those headlights are now. So much nicer. You don't see all the lines that was here, all the fading. It just looks so much better. I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, it just looks so much better. So as you can see, guys, this mod is all done. It looks great. I can't wait to see it at night because I should have better clarity, especially after I took out the tent and then I clean this up. It's gonna look nice. I might be blinding people, but I love it. Anyway, this one is all done. Thank you for watching. You know the drill. Like and subscribe, guys, right here. Boop. It's so easy. So anyway, thank you for watching. Until the next time, peace out.